we are doing something that actually makes me a little bit sad, because after I got my first PC that was a pre-built, but it was custom, I bought it built, and I was like, I'm gonna, build my own PC, pick out my own parts. I chose this case, the Corsair 3500X in white, but I have a delivery scheduled today in between 2:04 and 3:04, so we're going to be taking all of my stuff out, and I'm actually selling this to my friend again. For like the 10th time, everybody has seen, here is me taking out the pesky cables and lifting this in, because I thought this was heavy, but it's actually not that heavy. It does kind of pain me that I'm getting rid of such a nice case, but if I do obviously move into my partner's house, I can't have a case this tall because it is going to be going under my desk. So I kind of had to swap it out. The new case I've paid for is like £120, and I'm selling this one for 50 because I only paid about 80ish. But the only thing is, I'm not going to have fans in it apart from my radiator fans, so it's going to look not the best. So as I'm giving this case or selling it to my co-worker, I thought I might as well cable manage it a little bit, just so it's very easy when I install it when we are at work. But yeah, saying goodbye to my case is kind of sad because this was my first sort of like custom case, and now moving on to my second. To be fair, I have been through 4 CPUs and 4 graphics cards within the space of about a year, so safe to say I'm quite informed about PCs. I did actually brick our motherboard at work, but we don't talk about that. When I got these co-link cables, they're just like extensions. They don't plug into your power supply. They plug into like the cables for your power supply. But when I got these, I put the clips in, but I never put them in properly. So all the wires were kind of just folded in on each other. So now I'm just going in and making it perfect and just making it look a little bit better, because when they are bent, it just doesn't look good. This is actually really satisfying. Highly recommend. The delivery has come, so let's get into it. Okay, let me take the shipping label off and then we'll get into it. Thing is very, very heavy. How long do I get into this? We are just gonna do it like this, because I don't think well, there you go. I'm gonna keep these just in case I actually want to return it, because I'm very 50-50. This was first boot. I was honestly quite scared because this case is very difficult to build in. I wouldn't recommend it for a beginner. I know it looks really empty. I'm saving for fans because I actually can't afford it at the minute. But yeah, if you're a beginner, I wouldn't really recommend this case. I would recommend the Corsair 3500X. It was very easy to build in, but this, not so much. There are things I don't like about it, but overall I actually quite like the case quite a lot, to be honest. I did scratch the glass though, so we're not going to talk about that. So I finished building it. I'm sorry guys, I didn't record it. At the minute my Wi-Fi antenna's not working and my Ethernet cable isn't strong, but I've had enough for today. I'm tired. I will do a review on it soon.